Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 and today I will show you how you can reset this device through DFU mode. So before we get started, I will mention that we can do this kind of reset on Windows or Mac. It doesn't really matter which one you're using, you can use either one. The only difference is if you're using Mac, you're already good to go, and if you're using Windows, not so much. You will need to download a couple different things, and those couple different things will need to be downloaded from places where, let's be honest, none of us really get Windows programs from. So let's open up the favorite place to download programs from, Windows Store. And here we're going to search for Apple devices, which is the new program that you're going to be using to deal with your iPhone on Windows instead of iTunes. iTunes already had abysmal ratings, so it's better to start over and have even lower ratings. Congratulations, you have beaten your previously shittiest score. I guess that's what you get for shittifying your programs even further. Now, if you're wondering why, the reason is, I guess iTunes was outdated, so they updated it by changing nothing and also cutting away portions of its functionality and splitting it into its own separate program that apparently Microsoft thinks deserves a award in 2024 for music category. What are you snorting there? This garbage doesn't even support FLAC. Where are you getting the award from? There are much better options that most likely came out in alone 2024. Probably every other music player, it was better. But in any case, let's not crap too much on this. Already done that for every other device. And let's download the Apple devices, which we will need. Now, there is a reason why the rating for this is so abysmally low, because it's dog shit. And hopefully, fingers crossed, you won't have any problems with it. I already did, so I'm already not liking this program at all. And that's just from a single day today. Anyway, once you download this crap, we can open it up. And let's plug in our device. Now on the Mac, you want to navigate to your Finder, and in Finder you will find your iPhone's name. You want to just click on it and it will show you either this page right here or one like this. Same thing goes obviously for here, which you just seen me deal with. So once you have this page visible, you're basically good to go. You will want to have this open and visible right now because when booting into DFU mode, there is no info if we have done it successfully or not outside of this page right here showing us that we did. So now to put the device into DFU mode, that is going to take a little bit of skill. Specifically in counting time precisely. So what we're gonna do is press volume up, then volume down, and then we're gonna hold power button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you're gonna add volume down. You're gonna hold both of these buttons for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, let go of the power button. If it seems convoluted, that's because it completely is. It's done just, I think, to annoy us. Anyway, so hopefully I get this right on the first try. Let's see. So we're gonna press volume up, down, power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's booting up. Great. So I failed. Like I said, God forbid you miss the time by like a decimal, and you get to waste more time because it's putting up normally. Let's try it again. Up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully this will work now. And it did. Let's go. Cool. So you can see we are now in DFU mode. It tells us that your computer has detected an iPhone in DFU mode. Cool. I want to give props to Apple for finally separating recovery mode from DFU mode. For 17 years, they struggled to define which one is which when you have this open. Now, we actually have both modes show up, depending on which one you have booted into. Congrats, only took you nearly 2 decades. Anyway, in here, we're gonna select Restore iPhone. Now, if you're thinking Restore instead of Reset, you would be probably just like me. But I guess we can't expect too much from a dude that is like, what, 100 years old, Tim Cook? Probably senile by this point. So restore in Apple's logic means restore to original settings, not restore data. But when you click on it, it tells you that it's going to basically factory reset it. So that's basically what it is. So we're going to select restore and update, and here comes another exclamation. If you're thinking that you can just reset the device without updating, think again. Tim Cook wants you to update your phone, so you're going to update your phone. He wants you to buy an iPhone for your mom. You're gonna buy an iPhone for your mom. Anyway, I'm gonna select the restore and update. Now, in my case, it's going to basically start immediately preparing my phone. But in your case, it's going to start downloading 10 gigabytes of iOS storage, or not storage, but iOS software. So it's gonna tell you that it's downloading about 10 gigs. Give or take like a gigabyte, and this is gonna take, with good internet, about 4 minutes. Now, once it's done downloading it, it's gonna then begin extracting it. Then it's gonna start preparing your iPhone. Then it's gonna start moving that data to your iPhone, and then the iPhone is going to install that data. Now, this entire process will take probably 20 minutes. So that would also probably include the download portions, which I don't need to go to anymore. So prepare yourself for a little bit of time wasted while waiting for your phone to just simply reset. That usually takes budget devices that are in $100 range, like minutes to 2. Here we're taking 20. Anyway, I'm gonna let it run through. You're gonna see a bunch of things happening right here. Different changes, verifying and whatever, uploading or whatever it's gonna say. And at one point, it's gonna stop giving data right here or any kind of info, just because it's gonna be done with whatever it was doing, and the phone will be then preparing itself to basically install whatever we have uploaded to it, and then it's gonna show us the setup screen. So anyway, I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.